and the part number. To remove the side panel, first you need to unscrew the plastic nut. Yes, there is a nut, and then we can pull off this panel as well. These blue clips, guys, may stay right here. There was one in this slot over there, and I had to use these pliers to pull it out. You can also use the clip removal pliers if there is enough space to remove, in this case, our second clip. This will guarantee that it will stay safe. Now we'll reinstall them back in place. And we can reinstall the panel. Push it in all the way, and then we'll reinstall the nut. And now we can reinstall this panel.